Hi there, and welcome to Story Time with Uncle Bill. We are out in the bush. I went off a beaten path and just decided I'm gonna make it one way or the other. This is the area I ended up in. Coming from a nice wooded area. Check this thing out. I thought it was a birdhouse, but it actually is just a part of a piece of tree. Back that some. Man, I got to be really careful out here. Just a little skinny guy. Not much to it. Down or up. All kind of. Come on. Yeah, nothing special. It's kind of weird looking. I really thought it was a birdhouse. I was like, wow, I put a pretty neat birdhouse over here, but nope. Hole in a tree. Mother Nature's doing. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't.